Hi, good evening to all. Today's model is now the merits of a branch banking. It is one of the important the unit of the banking theory. Before looking at the merits of a branch banking, we will look at the meaning of a branch banking. Branch banking is a system to provide banking services throughout the country. The bank opens a lot of branches throughout the country now to meet the customer demands. It's called branch banking. The first merit is now, under the branch banking system, the bank has a number of branches. So it has large financial resources by securing deposits from different branches of different places. In branch banking system, it has an n number of branches. So through which it has got a lot of deposits from that branches. So the financial resources now is abundance now in the banking system, branch banking system. It is the one of the advantages of a branch banking. The second merit is the branch banking system has the lesser risk, more capacity to meet risk. If any one branch suffer from loss now, then another profitable branches cover the loss of the branch. The branch banking system now easily tackles over the risk because now if any one of the branch now met loss now in the business, the another branch of the same bank cover up that the last one. So it will cover up easily the risk. The next merit is now under this system, particular branch can operate without keeping large amounts of idle reserves. In times of need, the resource can be transferred from the one branch to another. Under branch banking system now, no need to keep resources as idle one. Because now one of the branches the need the money now, the idle resource now will be transferable now to now that branch to the needy branch. The next merit is now in this system branches are spread all over the country. So the funds now transfer from one place to another easily and then cheaply. Because the transfer will occur now into the branches. So it will be easily and then cheaply. The next one is now in this system the funds transfer now from the place lower interest rates to higher interest rates. So the interest rates now can be equal all over the country. Under the branch banking system, the interest rates now will be equal now all over the country. Because now if it has the lower interest rates, that will be transferred to the higher interest rates now, which will earn by the bank. The next merit is in this system, more funds available for highly trained and experienced staff appointed. The management will be more efficient and also gives better facilities to customers. Well knowledge and the skilled employees now appointed by management of a bank because it has more funds available and also gives now better facilities now and a lot of technologies now introduced in branch banking system. It is one of the advantages of a branch banking. The next one is the improvement of banking facilities in backward areas is possible under this system. because now it earns more funds that will be transferred to the backward areas now for the rural development. The next one is now demerits of a branch banking. Branch banking has a lot of advantages now. At the same time, it has also disadvantages. The first one is under this system, there are a number of difficulties regarding management, supervision, under control. Because the money flows a lot in branch banking, so we need to control and supervise that resources. That will be the more difficult one. The next one is the branch managers may not have necessary initiative and important methods. They cannot take independent decisions and they have to wait for clearance from the head office. The branch managers cannot perform independently because he will consult with the head office managers. After getting permission, then only he will implement any methods. So he cannot take it alone. It is one of the disadvantages of branch banking. Next one is the system encourages the monopolistic tendencies in the banking system. A few big banks dominate and control the whole banking system. Some of the big banks hold the authority and the power of the rules and procedures that will be dominate the other banking branches. The financial resources mobilized in the backward areas are transferred to the industrial centers. This increases the regional imbalances. One of the branch the earn in rural areas that resources mobilized to the industrial centers. So industrial will be not developed rather than rural areas. It is one of the disadvantages of branch banking. The next one is in this system the weak and the unprofitable branches continue to operate under the production cover up the large and more profitable branches. If the branches does not run more profitable, for that the branch has to operate. For that the maintenance cost the bank will have to provide it. So it will be the disadvantages of branch banking. Thank you. We will see you again with another session. Until then, stay tuned, stay blessed. Bye.